Isinagawa ang taunang Inter-School Nursing Quiz Bowl sa Cubao, Quezon City. Lumahok dito ang higit 30 mga pamantasan at kolehiyo sa bansa na layong makatulong para sa karagdagang kaalaman at maging preparasyon ng mga nursing students sa kanilang licensure exam. Si Erlo Bringas sa detalye.
Nagpasiklaban at nagpagalingan ng iba't ibang college, school at pamantasan sa bansa sa isinagawang Battle of the Nightingales o Inter-School Nursing Quiz Bowl na inorganisa ng Metro Pacific Health. Halos dumagundong ang buong venue sa dami ng mga sumusuporta sa kada kolehiyo na lumahok sa aktibidad. Ayon kay Dr. Janelle Jan Concepcion, ang Head of Nursing Education and Trainee ng Metro Pacific Health, tauna na nilang ginagawa ang nasabing Inter-School Nursing Quiz Bowl para matulungan ang mga nursing student na magagamit din nila sa kanilang profesyon.
Number one is to really show nursing's visibility, right? We want the nurses to be showcased and highlighted, not only because of the compassionate care that nurses give, but also their excellence, their intelligence, and their knowledge about nursing and human sciences.
Malaki din ang nursing industry sa kasalukuyan dahil sa healthcare at isa pa rin sa in-demand na propesyon na siyang pangangailangan ng mga pagamutan. Mahalaga din anya ayon kay Dr. Concepcion ang pagkakaroon ng awareness ng publiko sa mga ganitong aktibidad.
The impact of the nursing profession is that number one is really showing to the world that nurses are not just the doctor's helpers or the doctor's assistants, but they are intelligent, they are knowledge workers, and they are really of great value to the healthcare. Just imagine if our hospitals do not have nurses. Our healthcare will never exist, and that will be the collapse of society, right? So this POTN is a nationwide event that we have, and many people see it, and many people appreciate it, and we are celebrating really the nurses and the nursing students in this event.
Ang ginawang Inter-School Nursing Quiz Bowl ay sumisentro sa terminologies ng nursing at health profession. Magsisilbi na rin daw itong training ground nila at preparasyon para sa kanilang licensure exam o review activity.
We actually have so many different areas. We follow actually the nursing board exam framework, which we have medical surgical nursing, may psychiatric nursing, may community health nursing, and many other aspects. May calculation, merong medical knowledge from pathophysiology and all of that. So this is just a very broad array of questions that we have for our contestants.
Lahat ng napili sa ginawang Inter-School Nursing Quiz Bowl ay nakatakda namang lumaban sa national level.
Participate, we partner, we hook them up with our hospitals, and they can be sponsored by our hospitals. And I have to also let you know that this is just the first phase. There is a national event that will be coming up next month on October 17th. All the winners here will go to the national and will compete with the different regional winners that we have from all over the country.
Erlo Bringas para sa Matadag Agila, matatag, matapang, matapat.